Hey everyone, you're sitting on the couch, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly, you see an ad for a new bank called Relay. Intrigued, you click on it and start to wonder, who can actually bank with Relay? Hook. Let's dive into that question together and explore the world of Relay banking. Building context. Relay is a modern, digital bank that's shaking up the traditional banking industry. But who exactly is it designed for? Let's break it down. Target audience. Individuals. Tech-savvy. If you love gadgets and enjoy the convenience of digital solutions, Relay might be for you. Busy. Relay's mobile app and online banking platform are designed to save you time and hassle. Budget-conscious. Relay offers competitive rates and fees, making it a great choice for those looking to save money. Businesses. Small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. Relay provides tailored banking solutions for businesses of all sizes. Startups. If you're just starting out, Relay can offer the flexibility and support you need. Online businesses. Relay's digital-first approach is ideal for businesses that operate primarily online. Key features and benefits. Mobile-first experience. Relay's app is designed for easy navigation and intuitive use. No hidden fees. Enjoy transparent pricing with no surprise charges. Competitive interest rates. Earn a higher return on your savings. 24/7 customer support. Get help whenever you need it, even outside of business hours. Personalized banking. Relay can tailor its services to your specific needs. Eligibility requirements. Age. Most countries have age restrictions for opening bank accounts. Residency. You will generally need to be a resident of the country where Relay operates. Identification. Be prepared to provide proof of identity, such as a passport or driver's license. Income. Some banks may have minimum income requirements. How to open an account. Online application. Simply visit Relay's website and follow the steps to create an account. Verification. You may need to provide additional documentation to verify your identity. Activation. Once your account is approved, you can start using it immediately. Frequently asked questions. Can I use Relay internationally? While Relay might have international partnerships, it's best to check their specific terms and conditions. Is my money safe with Relay? Relay is regulated by financial authorities, ensuring your money is protected by relevant laws. Can I get a loan from Relay? Relay may offer loans to eligible customers. Check their website for more information. Conclusion. So, who can bank with Relay? The answer is simple: anyone who wants a modern, convenient, and affordable banking experience. Whether you're an individual or a business, Relay has something to offer. With its user-friendly interface, competitive rates, and excellent customer service, Relay is a great choice for people who value efficiency and convenience. End. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.